United States has a history written in blood. Some stories are told, others are buried. Tonight, we uncover 5 true horrors that defy explanation. These aren't urban legends. These are real cases, backed by police records, eyewitness testimony, and evidence that will leave you questioning reality. And the scariest part? They could happen again. On March 12, 1978, at Louisville Central Hospital, a 34-year-old woman named Mary Kessler was declared dead after a heart attack. But 15 minutes later, she sat up on the morgue table, alive. The nurses celebrated until they saw her eyes. Mary's once blue eyes were now solid black. She spoke in a voice that wasn't hers, a guttural, multi-tonal growl. When doctors tried restraining her, her skin burned to the touch. Within hours, men in black suits arrived. Mary was taken to an underground wing. The official report claims she died of cardiac arrest, but nurses reported hearing her screams for weeks. In 1990, residents of Sneads, Florida, began hearing knocking from underground. At first, they ignored it. Then the knocks mimicked their heartbeat. A sinkhole opened near the town square. Police found human teeth embedded in the walls, some from the 1800s. Then a local boy vanished, but his voice still called for help from below. The CDC quarantined Sneads. Officially, it was sinkhole instability, but leaked memos mention acoustic anomalies and non-human excavation. Today, Sneads is a ghost town, and if you listen closely, the knocking still echoes. In 1985 to 1992, 14 hikers vanished in the Smoky Mountains. The only clue: footprints too large to be human leading to cliff edges. One survivor, Jake Ridley, described a 9-foot-tall figure with no face, whispering in a language that made his ears bleed. Rangers found Jake catatonic, repeating, "It wears their skin." In 1992, the killings stopped overnight. The FBI buried the files, but park rangers still report smell of rotting meat near certain trails, and laughter from the treetops. In 1988, a Wisconsin radio station, WVNV, aired a 20-minute loop of static, but listeners reported hearing whispers in Latin and seeing shadow figures near their radios. Within a week, 19 people killed themselves, all tuned to WVNV. The station manager claimed ignorance until he was found with his eardrums ruptured. The FCC banned 107.9 FM, but in 2021, a Reddit user recorded the same broadcast, now with added screams. The post was deleted within hours. In 1976, 7-year-old David Carter drew future tragedies with terrifying accuracy. His parents dismissed it until his airplane fire sketch matched the Challenger disaster 10 years later. The CIA took David for testing. He returned silent, drawing only a door with no handle. His last words, "They're coming through soon." David vanished from a locked psychiatric ward in 1992. The only clue, a single drawing dated 2025, showing millions staring at the sky. These cases were buried for a reason. Because the truth, the past isn't done with us. So tonight, as you turn off the lights, listen for the knocking, check your radio static, and pray your dreams stay dreams.